Hello all, welcome to our channel. This is regarding for website important text document that is called robo.txt file. So robo.txt file, how we can use from the particular website, HTML, PHP, Java, any kind of website. So who are first time watching my video, please clearly watch. If any clear doubt, you can ask me in my comment box. If anybody missing my comment and not give reply, we can re-comment me. Definitely I'll give the reply for particular YouTube comment box. Now, robot.txt file, the mainly useful file, crawl your web pages on the search engine purpose. There's a crawling, but not only for one search engine. Every search engine crawling, the depend option will be here. That option name is called robot.txt. That is called allow and disallow option. For example, if my website will be content, for example, tourismnews.com. This complete website, I have to indexing for search engine purpose. We have to using for robo.txt file. Robo.txt file is a completely dependent by the XML sitemap. XML sitemap nothing but in a complete pages, how many pages we have, that all will be checking for in a particular option name is called sitemap.xml file. These files will be what are our website pages, how many pages are there, that all pages will be updating for your particular option is called XML sitemap. So based on XML sitemap, we can write our code. So this will be given by the web pages count. The all web pages count, allow and user agent, the option name is called search engine purpose. For example, we are uploading some news, any kind of news. Like when you copy this URL, it is URL will be search engine will be index or not. First of all, we can check. It will be not index. I can check for another URL. So which URL will be here? So that is called, we can indexing is very important. It is not done. So I'll go with them. So it already indexed. We can check with them. Now we can show something will be like this here. It all will be approved by robo.txt file on the particular URL. They can show search engine purpose. So previous URL will be not showing for search engine. What happened? That is called not indexing right now. So once it is indexing will be finished, the show will be compulsory of particular URLs. So that is the any particular URL, it will be optimized search engine purpose. We have to write for robo.txt file. First, you can file will be save as a robo.txt. Click for save. After save this file, go to cPanel, go to file manager option. Anything we can go to file manager option. So in this public underscore HTML, now you can upload the file will be here. Where exactly we can go to the file robo.txt. Yes. Now this will be how we can check after .com robots.txt. Any particular URL after done things, we can checking purpose that is called robo.txt. Only this domain name will be changed based on your website, extension will be changed. The code will be same robots.txt. For example, I can disallow a particular admin panel. So this admin panel I can't show by the into the search engine list. We can copy this URL. So we can show by the search engines. So now it is showing by search engine option. What is calling for? Click for this robo.txt file. Select the URL. We can write code disallow. URL is same, but we can go for disallow and image or image folder. We can block the URL images, anything will be possible. Save it. Previous, here nothing will be there. Now we can upload the new file. Now you can refresh. So disallow particular admin post. Already extension will be there. There is only one extension will be given, admin/post option. Those steps we can follow and created things on a particular admin option. So this is the particular things we have to follow. The an option will be called robo.txt file. So that mean by now we can allow by complete URLs only admin post option we can disallow for search engine purpose. How much time will be taken for search engine? Anyone searching for admin post in Google, they can't show by the URL into the search engine. And one more important, sir, I'm block the URL. Can I ask is URL will be search on Google? That URL will be show on search engine or not? That URL will be show on search engine. When people search engine by keyword, like suppose they will search for like this. I'll give example also. Tallest in news admin. Here it will show. So that is the we can remove from the search engine on a particular time. So we have to use from the particular complete URL, or we can use from the particular like this. So we can use this, save this, upload this. Now refresh it. So total URL will be block the stage. So now when you will be search will be here, they remove the URL from the search engine will be, there is a particular time will be take the disable by the search engine option. Any enable or disable options, any particular URL will be stop the search engine purpose. The one and only option is called robo.txt file. That all will be depend on by where, by option name is called XML sitemap. That all will be dependent by the XML sitemap. XML sitemap nothing but your web pages count, that all will be given by the sitemap.xml option. Web page crawling or indexing, everything they show by option name is called XML sitemap option. So this is the method we can follow to update the robo.txt file on your particular website. So if any query about the robo.txt file, we can ask to my channel. I definitely will be help on your particular robo.txt file and update on your particular website. PHP, HTML, Java, any kind of website will be same. For example, I'm selecting for Amazon, amazon.com/. Amazon will be lot of boxes are there, not one or two. See this one. So these all pages that disallow, only few pages will be allow on the particular option. So which is allow, which is a disallow, that all options are very, very important in your particular website. So robo.txt for each and every extension will be same. After .com, you can checking purpose robo.txt file. It file is available or not. How to know this? After .com/robo.txt file. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.